viewers, my name is Luleka Krusheka from the ECDOE broadcast. I'm the subject advisor for agricultural sciences. Welcome to the ECDOE broadcast studio. Today's lesson is about giving tips for grade 12 learners so that they are ready for the exams. Today I will be covering the topics for your full understanding. Our topic is based on the tips in preparation for e-revision so that we as the grade 12s, they go to the examination room ready. Now, firstly, let us look at the structure of the paper. The structure of the paper, more especially paper 2, because our paper is covering paper 1 and paper 2. But today I will be doing the structure of paper 2. Then now the duration of our paper is 2.5 hours. Then we've got the main topics now, which are covered in this paper. We've got agricultural management and marketing, which is our question 2. We've got production factors, which is our question 3, and also basic agricultural genetics, which is our question 4. Today I will be covering the structure of paper 2. So our paper 2, the duration of the paper is 2.5 hours. Is 2.5 hours. I will be doing the structure of paper 2 since we know that our subject is divided into 2 papers. That is paper 1 and paper 2. But mine today is paper 2. The duration of paper 2 is 2 hours. Then let us look now at the main topics. The main topics of our paper is like this. Or before that, our paper is divided into 2 sections, that is section A and section B. And also the total mark for this paper is out of 150 marks. Then we will distribute our marks according to the questions. So we've got question 1, which is in section A, question 2 and question 4 in section B. Then the main topics for the main topics, we've got agricultural management and marketing, which is our question 2. We've got the production factors, which is our question 3, and also basic agricultural genetics, which is our question 3. Then question 1 is out of 45 marks. That 45 marks is distributed from those main topics. So we've got our multiple choice question, we've got our terminology, we've got our matching items, and also term replacement. So question 1, section A, it has got subsection. We've got subsection 1.1, which is our multiple choice questions. We've got 1.2, which is terminology. We've got 1.3, matching columns, term replacement 1.4. So in each of these questions, each topic in section A, it carries 15 marks. So it means 15 multiplied by 3, it gives us our section A question 1, which is out of 45. Then we go now to question 2. We go to question 2. Our question 2 carries 105 marks. So from our 105 marks, let us go to our section B now, which is question 2 and question 4. Then these questions, they are out of 105. Each, it carries 35 marks. Then, now, as I've already alluded that we've got our multiple choice, I want to show you that how is the structure of our multiple choice represent. And firstly, you must know that it's very important to know the terminology for each topic. So the main thing, if you master the terms or the concepts for each topic, it means you are ready for the examinations. Each topic, it has got its concept. This concept will be assessed in multiple choice questions. They will be assessed in question 1.2. It will be assessed in 1.3. It will be assessed in 1.4. For example, if I can give you this, maybe, but this question is out of 20 marks, 10 questions, but I just picked one questions. You can see there's an instruction. It is very important for us learners to read instructions carefully, because it means that if you don't follow the instructions, you are not ready. So this question says, various options are provided as possible answers to the following questions. Choose the correct answer, and you are instructed to write only the letter A to D next to the question number 1.1, 1.1, until in the answer book, until you reach the last question, which is 1.1.11 or 10. So if you can look, we've got the A, we've got the B, we've got the C, we've got the D. Those are the concepts which are found in all the topics that are involved in this question. So this is the multiple choice question. We've got our risk, our planning, our management, our diversification. It shows that each and every topic in this question, it is represented, but yours is to pick one question. So in 1.1, the effective combination and coordination of all the resources to achieve a specific goal usually maximizes profit. So it means, as a terminology, you've got an answer as management. So it means that when you know that question can be also asked in 1.2 as a term, or in 1.1, so that you give a letter. Then I've also got an 1.2 where the question needs the matching columns. This is an example of a matching columns. On the column B, you are also given terms, but you are also given in column 1 the description. The moment you know the description of the term, it means you know the concept. So that is how our questions are structured. Then when you go to one word or phrase, 1.3. So in 1.1, you were given a statement and also a letter to choose a concept. But now, here in this question, you are given a statement so that you give a phrase. We've got the effective combination and coordination of all the resources. We have got the number of different enterprises. Diversification was there in 1.1. Diversification was there in 1.2, as in the case of matching columns. So that's how these questions are structured. And then we also have our 1.4. In our 1.4, same concepts are there, but are given as underlined words. Yours, you are given a term which is planning, but that planning must be replaced by the correct word. So it means that statement with that underlined word is incorrect, but you are supposed to replace it with a correct term or concept. So the correct word there, which you are going to replace planning, because the correct term for that one is management, which is there in 1.1. So I'm trying to show you that each topic is represented and all the terms are there. So it means for a learner to master section A, all the concepts which are involved in the 4 topics that are there, they must master them. So because the paper is all about e-concepts and also their definitions. Then I will just make an example, picking a few under agricultural management, we've got the concepts, we've got the definition. If you know the concept, make it a point that you understand the definition. That's how I structured it. So all the topics are also represented. We've got our management as a concept. We've got the definition of management. So it means you qualify if you understand the topic, you know section, you know 1.1. If you know you are given the statement and you can be able to give it a concept, you are done. So it means concepts are the key components that you have to understand. And also I've picked some few on under e-marketing. The concepts that are under e-marketing as a topic, we've got marketing, we've got marketing, we've got selling, we've got standardization, grading, and demand. So those topics, they must be known by each and every learner. And also we've got our question for basic agricultural genetics. Then our last topic, the basic agricultural genetics. So I was trying to show you that each topic, it has got its concepts and they are defined. So the moment you come across a topic, know that there will be concepts that you need to understand when they are asked in 1.1, when they are asked in 1.2, when they are asked in 1.2, and also when they are asked in 1.4. Then, in summing up or in conclusion, make sure that you know the concepts, you know the spelling, you write the concepts so that you are used in writing them, so that you are used in understanding them in whatever way they have been asked. Then I will advise you that every day you practice or you will start a topic, you first write down all the concepts that are involved there. You explain, you understand. Then you do it every day and every day. This topic is assisting us so that you know that each and every question, it has got its instructions. So please, learners, make it a point that you read all the instructions and also you follow them. We have come to the end of our lesson. You can leave your questions to the comments. Don't forget to leave the name of your school so we give shouts out. Please share, recommend, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson.